that phone away on this one.
Talk it.
You never know.
You never know.
This is the exciting one!
I need a turbo! We need a fucking turbo, goddammit!
I got it. Hold on to
We
it.
need our
That's all I'm gonna say.
Our JDM power. Come on,
It's
man.
worth it.
Ready, guys?
Let's go for it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, yeah! Yeah!
Oh man, I almost fell off.
I just fell on my knee. Fuck, it hurts.
Whoa, what the heck is that? Oh, unexpected. Oh, fuck.
You know what that was?
Fuck
It was
farted.
fucking awesome.
Farted. Who the fuck farted? Albert!
Not me. You left the brown nose.
I know.
I was like, shit.
That was awesome.
Oh, we caught up.
Yeah, we almost
got him. I know.
Oh god.
I came in, I was like, oh yeah, more water. It's pretty far center. Huh? It's pretty far center. Yeah. Dude, what happened to Senna's mustache? It blew out. Totally. I was like,
washed off.
Came around that corner, I was like, what is going on? Got shaved. Yeah. I don't like it.
That was bus crash?
Yeah, that was bus guy.
No wonder that we all crashed.
I heard was who farted?
You farted!
All I know is there's maybe some names to the names. Bus crash. Okay. Check.
And then you hear this.
What bus crash? Yeah, I leaned forward. I'm like, oh, like.
Oh man.
Came forward, like all the water just came in and turned.